In this video, we explore more English words starting with the letter J, from jackal to jungle. You'll learn their meanings, simple definitions, Spanish translations, and useful collocations to help you practice and use them naturally. Jackal, wild animal similar to a wolf. A jackal pack hunted together at night. A jackal pack is a group of jackals that live and hunt together. A golden jackal is a species of jackal found in parts of Europe, Asia, and Africa. The golden jackal is known for its adaptability. Golden jackals often live and hunt in packs, working together to survive in the wild, and you can learn more about animals in the linked video. A jackal was spotted near the edge of the desert. To spot means to see or notice something, often suddenly or after looking for it. They spotted a rare bird in the forest. I spotted him in the crowd. In the story, the cunning jackal outsmarted the lion. Cunning describes someone who uses intelligence in a secretive or slightly dishonest way to get what they want. Clever means smart and quick thinking, but without the negative or sneaky tone. A cunning fox tricked the farmer. A clever student solved the problem quickly. With a cunning smile, she convinced them to follow her plan. Jeans, pants made of denim fabric. Jeans are always used in the plural, so we say a pair of jeans to refer to one item. I bought a new pair of jeans yesterday. He wore a pair of old jeans and a t-shirt for the casual gathering. The store had a big sale on jeans, so she bought a couple of pairs. Jelly, sweet, soft dessert or spread. In British English, jelly means gelatine dessert, while in American English, it means a type of fruit spread similar to jam. I had jelly for dessert. I put jelly on my toast. The children loved to eat jelly with their peanut butter sandwiches. He prepared a fruit salad with strawberries, oranges, and jelly cubes. Jellyfish, sea animal with tentacles and a soft body. They saw a jellyfish floating in the water during their beach vacation. A jellyfish sting can be painful, so they advised swimming carefully. Jersey, a knitted garment or sports shirt. He signed his jersey for the young fan after the match. She wore her favorite jersey to the game, hoping her team would win. Juice, liquid from fruits or vegetables. She poured a glass of fresh juice to go with her breakfast. The juice from the orange dripped all over the counter. Drip, leak, spill, drop. What's the difference? Drip, when liquid falls slowly in small drops. The tap is dripping. Water is falling drop by drop. A drip can also mean an IV drip, a medical device that slowly gives liquid medicine or nutrients into a patient's vein. The patient received fluids through an IV drip. Leak, when liquid or gas escapes through a hole or crack. The roof is leaking. Water is coming in through a hole. Spill, when liquid accidentally flows or falls out of a container. I spilled coffee on my shirt. It fell by accident. Drop, as a small amount of liquid, a droplet. A drop of water fell on the leaf. Use the dropper to add a few drops of the medicine. A dropper is a small tool used to release liquid in drops, usually for medicine or precise amounts. Pipette, a more precise tool used in laboratories to measure and transfer exact amounts of liquid. As a verb, to let something fall. Can refer to objects or liquids, intentionally or accidentally. She accidentally dropped her wedding ring on the ground. She dropped her phone on the floor. She let it fall. June, the 6th month of the year. We are planning to visit the mountains in June, when the weather is warmer. The wedding is scheduled for early June, right after graduation. July, the 7th month of the year. We usually go on holiday in mid-July. In mid-July, mid is used to talk about the middle of a period of time, like a month or year. In English, we often use early, mid, and late with months to talk about approximate dates. Early refers to the beginning of the month, mid refers to the middle, and late refers to the end. This is a very common and natural way to talk about time when you don't need to be exact. We arrived in early July. We usually travel in mid-July. They left in late July. He's planning a trip to the beach in July for a summer vacation. The 4th of July is a national holiday in the United States. A national holiday is an official day celebrated in a country. On this day, many people have a day off, which means they do not go to work and schools are usually closed. However, some people may still work depending on their job. Some professions still work on holidays, such as doctors, police officers, and emergency workers who are often on duty. People working in hotels, restaurants, and tourism also work during holidays, as these are busy times for them, while others are resting or enjoying their time off. Jungle. Tropical forest with dense vegetation. They trekked deep into the jungle, encountering exotic animals along the way. There are different types of forests around the world. A forest is a general term for a large area with many trees. A tropical forest or rainforest is found in hot, rainy regions, such as the Amazon, in South America or Southeast Asia. A jungle is a very dense and wild type of tropical forest with thick vegetation. Other forests, like temperate forests, are common in Europe and North America. The Black Forest in Germany is a famous example of a temperate forest in Europe. It is known for its dense trees, beautiful landscapes, and traditional villages. Unlike tropical forests, it has a cooler climate and is a popular destination for hiking and tourism. The jungle was full of strange sounds that made it feel eerie at night. Sometimes, English has several words for something that feels scary, but not all of them mean the same thing. When we say something is eerie, we usually mean it feels strange and mysterious, like a quiet forest at night, or an empty street with a cold wind. Spooky is similar, but it's often more playful. We use it for Halloween decorations or ghost stories that are fun, not truly frightening. Creepy, on the other hand, describes something that makes you really uncomfortable, especially when a person or situation feels disturbing or weird. So, an abandoned house at night might feel eerie. A haunted house attraction is spooky, and someone staring at you for too long can seem creepy. That's it for today's. Keep practicing with examples, and you'll see your English improve step by step. See you in the next video.